Introducing myself. Bachelor's degree in English, first semester, second. Who I am? I am a teacher. Since I was in my mother's womb, God made me a teacher. I am Wilder William Fuentes Vargas. I am 51 years old. And I live in the Doctrina, Córdoba. The Doctrina, Córdoba is the town I grew up in. Is smaller than Florida. I live with my wife and my son. Where are you going? The goal is to educate people in love for God, progress, and peace. So, in my free time, read books, play soccer, and love to play volleyball. Sometimes cook. I think that I am a good chef. My cell phone number is 318308701. I grew up in a town near to Municipal, Florida. I live with my parents and my brothers and used to play, swim, and every day in the river with my friends. I read many books when I was in my school. I am tall, and I am also thin. I have brown eyes. I have black hair. I am happily married with Noemi. I have a son. His name is Elian. I think the coolest place I have ever been is Cali. It's a city beautiful. This is me. I know I can. I know I'm clever. Thank you so much.